as an industry, we're at a unique point in time where we're willing to crowdsource different solutions and then chart the right path for different fleets.
There's so many amazing technologies out there right now that can help them transition to net zero.
These workshops are excellent because they allow attendees to communicate with local experts and companies that are helping to green fleets.
There's a lot more than just talking about hydrogen and just talking about battery electric vehicles. Talk about all different types of options. And this is a very introduction level that provides people with resources and to a diverse crowd as well.
These workshops are for managers, directors of fleets, procurement, anybody who has at least one vehicle that needs to be changed from diesel or gas to a different kind of fuel.
This series of events is particularly important because 75% of freight in Ontario goes through the GTA. And if we're going to tackle this problem, we need to get the message out to the fleet owners and managers.
The price of admission is pretty cheap. There's no charge. If you're looking for information, it's a great place to start.